All right, so let's change the ODC market and let's trade Euro USD. So guys, I got another signal. I guess the market, I missed those candles, green candles, but I believe that we will see more uptrends. All right. So yeah, so I made some winning trades previously, and I guess we have another chance to make more. So guys, by the way, uh the the first chapter from our course is for free. The access to the first chapter, not all the chapters, the first chapter is totally for free. So let me take this position. So we are going up. All right. So as I was saying, the first chapter is for free. You don't need your email address. You don't need your credit card information. Nothing. You can just go to learnthestrategy.com/free and you can start learning immediately. Yeah, so as you can see guys, I'm trading with $200, but you can start small. Guys, you should start small. Not you should, if you're just starting off, or if you don't have a great the first week. If you don't have, yes, this one, yeah. But I guess I don't care about those red candles, small red candles. But I believe that we still have another uptrend or another green candle to take. So at least the next two candles will be green. Don't let the Bollinger Bands fool you. So as I was saying, guys, starting small when trading binary options is important for several reasons. For example, the risk management. Binary options are high risk financial instruments, and the potential to lose your investment is high. I want you to understand that. So by starting small, you limit the amount of capital you are putting at risk, which helps you manage potential losses great as you learn and gain experience. Beautiful. I guess we just check. Yeah. We still have another green candle to take. This one. But I believe that this will be the last green candle or the last high position that I'm opening in this session. I believe that the market now, see, the market already created a clear and beautiful um, uptrend, and I believe that it will start creating a downtrend. So we will see. So back to our subject, why you should start small, guys. Also, the learning curve, meaning trading binary options involve understanding market analysis, timing, and the psychological aspect of trading, right? Just give me a second here. I guess. Yeah, I guess. Yeah, we will start to see. Let me just check. See, this one was clear up, and then also this one. Those three last three trades were beautiful. This one was the clearest. But I guess that we will start to see low position. So let me open with $200. Let's open low position. So from this point on, I guess that the market will keep going down. Perhaps we will see a green candle, one green candle, but that's okay. I don't believe that the market will go up again. This means that the sellers are getting stronger here. So as I was saying, the learning curve, guys, starting small allows you to experiment with different strategies and understand how the market works without risking significant capital. So with small capital, if you lose $100, $200, that's okay. Even $1,000, that's okay. When you are learning, you will learn a lot by testing different strategies and all stuff. Also, when you start in small, for example, you will avoid overconfidence. So if you start with large amount of money and make a series of successful trades, you may become overconfident and, you know, can take on excessive risk. So starting small helps you stay grounded and focus on developing disciplined trading habits and, of course, trading strategy. So you should start small so you won't have that fake overconfidence that can hurt you. Yeah. Also, this one, a downtrend. See, as I was saying, a clear red candle, clear downtrend. Again, uh, I believe, yeah. I open another lower position. Let's open a lower position with $200 as usual. Yeah, so that's it about small, starting small. Also, like when you're starting small, let's say, you will control or you will have emotional control. So trading can be emotional, you know that, especially when you experience losses. And by starting small, you can maintain better emotional control and not be overwhelmed by the fear of losing large amounts of money, right? So you will control your emotions. Also, the market uncertainty. Great. I guess this one was clear, but this one also clear. See, I missed a small drop there, but that's okay. I can still open a lower position here. So as I was saying, the market uncertainty. I was talking about the market uncertainty, I guess. So financial markets, especially in binary options, can be unpredictable. Uh, so so starting small ensures that even if the market turns against you and against your predictions, your overall financial situation is not severely impacted, right? Severely impacted. Like losing $1,000 will not hurt your life. I'm talking about your life. Oh, but what happened? See, as I said, I missed the drop over there. That's why. But that's okay. I didn't lose that. I missed. No, no, this one. Yeah, this one was perfect. I was talking. I was checking the previous trade. That's why I missed a small drop. Otherwise, I would be winning right now. But now, let me just, yeah, it's green. I guess that's it. That's perfect. Let's go lower. And I guess this will be the last trade. Yeah, this will be the last trade. So, guys, start small, please, because this will help you refine your strategy. So, small positions will allow you to refine your strategy without the pressure of losing large sums. With $1, you can test your strategy and refine it and understand the market better without losing more than $1 to $10. So as you become more comfortable and profitable, you can gradually increase your position size. Also, guys, I want you to understand that I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just educating you guys, and I'm making this video for entertainment purposes only. I'm not telling you that you will make the same amount of money, and this is not necessarily uh, real. This is just a simulation of what is possible to be done with binary options. So you should be careful. Don't trade with real money unless you are 100% sure about your strategy. Trade with demo account and yeah, save yourself some bucks. Don't risk everything. And education, guys, education and practice, education and practice. And trust me, you'll be familiar with the market, with trading, with strategies and stuff. And this will change everything about your trading strategy. So hope that you enjoyed, guys. So the last four trades were perfect. This one, yeah, this one was good, but I missed it. So this one is also. So see you later.